A mental health crisis can happen at any time or place, but thankfully there is a program that can meet someone right where they are for immediate support. Sweetser's Chief Growth Officer, Joanne Grant, is here with more on that. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me again. Good morning.
Well, good morning to you. Let's talk about these mobile crisis services. What exactly is that?
Mobile crisis services provides a person to respond immediately to an adult or a child who's experiencing a mental health crisis. The overall goal is to stabilize that crisis and, most importantly, connect that person to services in the community to help prevent this from happening again. Those services could be counseling, medication management, case management.
How does somebody access that team?
The best way to access mobile crisis is to call the National Hotline for Suicide Prevention and Crisis Services 988. That will connect you to a trained crisis clinician who might be able to resolve that crisis right on the telephone. If that's not possible, they will dispatch to a mobile crisis worker, which Sweetser has those services, and that mobile crisis worker will meet the person where they're at. That's the luxury of this model. That's the intent of the model. Home, school, Dunkin' Donuts. We're coming where you are to stabilize that situation and provide safety.
How would you define a mental health crisis that does warrant picking up the phone?
I think if you or someone that you care about is expressing thoughts of self-harm, suicidal ideation, having a substance use crisis of any kind, maybe having severe emotional distress such as a panic attack, severe depressive symptoms. I also think if you need help de-escalating a situation that could potentially become dangerous or life-threatening, you would call 988 and you would receive immediate support.
What's your service area?
Mobile intervention is provided by Sweetser in Androscoggin, Franklin, Knox, Lincoln, Sagadahoc, Waldo, Oxford, York, and Northern Cumberland counties.
So a very wide area. If anybody would like more information on these services, how do they find you?
Call our Promise Line or go to sweetser.org and we will assist you in any way we can.
Joanne, thank you so much. And of course, we'll have more information on WGME.com.